So it's me again. And today I thought about the LOL dolls and the ice bucket challenge, and I'm not in that place where I said it before I was going to be. I'm in here because she tried to record the video and try to stop it, and I know all of you fans really want to do something great, but I don't really know what to do actually, because my mom won't let me do ice pop challenge. She won't. I have LOL dolls, but she won't let me open it. And she said it's for my birthday, which is gonna take long because it's just past my birthday. It was just on 23rd of March. I just can't sneak on getting the LOL dolls, and I can't just sneak on getting the ice cube buckets. I don't like it when it does this. Well, anyways, we are gonna do something at least, because what's the point of me here doing nothing in this blank place? Look around. It's all weird in this place. I just went here because over there was just too noisy for the video. So that's why I just went here. For example, like that. But I wonder if Samaya, who's my friend at mosque, is just kind of like show up at mosque, like doing it. But look around here, there's teddies everywhere, and up here. It's just really not good for me for checkout. It would. But I'm kind of itchy right here. And I don't really know what to do with like those things. And I just can't wait. I just hope May shows up so I can give her that chocolate. But there's a big surprise about it, guys. I gotta tell you. I've gotta tell you. So the surprise thing is, what I gotta tell you about the chocolate is that the chocolate can turn really, really small, like about this small, and they can, if you turn it large, it will turn like about up till that roof up there. Okay, guys, up till here on the floor. Can you see my finger? I think you can't. Wait, here. There. You can see on the roof. That'll be a lot. There's a button to press it. So I'm just so excited to give for that, and that's the surprise thing what I was talking about. And this place is too light. You can see. Oh, it's so bright. I'm gonna just go on the bit dark side here. There. I think it's a bit better. So now what? I'm doing a video. So now what we're going to do is just do toy talk, like play with toys and stuff. You can just get this toy here. Don't you get it? No. Yeah, I am playing with this toy. I just put it there, like, for a reason. And guys, I don't know. It's just too light, and I just don't get it. Whoa. And Usman's here, if you can see him. Ding! He's my brother. And that's why I was saying, what were you doing? And he just came pooped out of nowhere. Okay, so do you want to do the video with me as well? Yep. About later, I can't wait. I hope Smay shows up. I told him about the chocolate thing. You can press a button and stuff.
What chocolate thing?
Nothing. So,
Okay.
What was it? So we'll choose this. This is not even mine.
Subscribe to the video.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel, not to the video. You can't subscribe to the video. You are weird. And it's too light in this room. That's why I
Smash
came.
the like button too.
Yes, smash it. Smash, smash,
Just
smash.
smash it with your butt.
Ugh, that's disgusting. I don't want to do that.
Smash it with
If I were them, those people who are fans of me, I would do that. That'll be disgusting. You smashed your bum on your phone and smashed the subscribe
Instead
button.
of smacking your bum on the phone,
You don't really have to smash it. We're just saying that, like, for example, like that, innit, right?
smash it with a hammer.
No, I'll break the phone. Are you weird? So you can just do it with your hand like this. And then
Like
done.
this.
But I don't get it. Whenever I watch YouTube on my baby sister phone, my baby sisters are funny, innit? Yeah, and whenever I do that, you can just don't even do the password or email. You just subscribe right in it. You just press the button and subscribe. But in this phone, what I'm using now to do a video, it doesn't even work when I watch YouTubers who are my favorite.